guys, what are we doing today? Well, someone's truck wouldn't go into four-wheel drive, so we got them an axle. They kind of had their own axle, and we swapped it for them and told them we'd take this one apart when we had some time. So I had some time this afternoon and I took it apart, and everything in here looks good and everything's perfect and works and slides and everything. And then I realized there was a reason why it wasn't going into four-wheel drive, and what happened was someone took the long axle shaft side out to do a seal and didn't have it in four-wheel drive, so the gear here would encapsulate this washer, or the sleeve attached to the gear would encapsulate the washer. And so when it fell down, instead of taking it apart or trying to reach down the tube and get it in place, they just decided that they were going to force the axle little nub there into the end, and they actually messed the bearing up a little bit, and they got the washer pretty good. And as you can see, this washer is pretty well bent. I'm sure with some hammering and some grinding you could probably get it to be smooth enough to put back in so that you would have four-wheel drive. It's unfortunate. If people just knew what they were doing, they wouldn't have these issues. Or if they messed up and wanted to actually keep a customer, they could just fix the issues they created. Oh well. I'll put this one back together so they can have a spare axle for their 250,000 mile truck.